How you doing? Welcome to my kitchen. Henry VIII loved confit, and so do we. We make it a lot around this house, and this is how I do it. Here's what you're gonna need: black peppercorns, juniper berries, fresh thyme, a whole duck, brown sugar, and salt or tender quick, plus not in the picture, 4 cups of duck fat. Start by separating your thighs and your breasts. For the breasts, cut along the sternum and down the sides of the wishbone. Then down along the rib cage. Save all the fat. Trim all the excess skin and save it in a little pot to render more fat and replenish your stock. Render your fat on a very low flame. Crush your peppercorns and your juniper berries until very fine. Then add the thyme and crush it again. Now incorporate it to your salt and sugar and mix it very well. Now you're ready to coat your pieces and double wrap them in plastic. Use all the salt and sugar mix. Place it on a plate because it'll surely leak, and refrigerate it overnight. After your fat has finished rendering, strain it through a very fine colander, and this way you keep replenishing your stock of duck fat. On the second day, you're going to wash your pieces thoroughly in cold water. Then you're going to pat them dry with paper towels. Heat your fat in a very low flame. It should never exceed 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and poach all your pieces completely immersed. After about an hour and a half, the meat should be falling off the bone. It's ready to eat or save in the fridge for later. To serve the duck that's been kept in the cold storage, you're gonna have to melt the fat to be able to take out the pieces. I like to serve the breasts accompanied by sweet cherries from Oregon. I'll place them on top of the cherries and proceed to broil them until they're perfectly brown. There are hundreds of recipes that call for duck confit, and store-bought is the easy way out, but I guarantee you that you will never ever match the flavor of this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. It's a great thing. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.